boys and girls, guess what? Today is Friday, and this is your math lesson, and we're going to continue learning and reviewing what sorting is. Okay, but before I begin my lesson, I'm going to show you what we're going to learn today. But before that, did you already review the shapes of numbers? If you haven't done that, please go and do it and then come back, okay? All right, so let me show you what we're going to learn today. So today for math, we're going to learn or review how to sort. Sorting is important because it helps us group things or put things into groups. And we are using its attribute. So what does attribute mean? It means we are using either how it looks, what color it is, what shape it is, in order to make those groups, okay? And this is important because once the things are in a group, you'll be able to tell the difference of, or say how they are the same or how are they different. Okay, so here I just did an example. I've been showing you this all week. Here we're sorting by shape. Okay, so we always look on the top to figure out what they want us to sort. Or somewhere, sometimes like today it will be in the bottom. So today you have to look in the bottom, okay? For what we're sorting, and here we're sorting by shape. So all the stars are going to go here, and all the circles are going to go here. Since we're sorting by shape, the size doesn't matter. It doesn't matter that you have little ones or big ones, okay? As long as they're all stars and all circles. Okay, let's go into our lesson now. Okay, so this is going to be our lesson or activity. Today we're going to look up here to see what we're doing. How are we sorting? In your homework, don't get a little confused because I know I've been putting it on the top. In your homework, it'll be in the bottom. So check it out. I think your homework is also going to be about color. So today we're going to sort in groups by color. Here we're going to put all the ones that are red. Here all the ones that are green. Here all the ones that are yellow. I know the letters are black, but it's kind of hard to see yellow, but this is yellow. So red, green, and yellow. And so today I have my little counters or manipulatives here. And some of them are frogs and some of them are bears. Okay? But right now we're not looking at that. Right now we're looking at what? What do we want to make our groups? We're going to make them by color. So sometimes you're going to have frogs and bears. That's okay because we're doing by color today. Okay? So here we have a frog. And it might look a little orange there, but it's actually red. So my red frog goes right there. Here we have a bear. What color is it? Yes, it's green, so it goes here. What do we have here? It's a green frog, so it goes here. So see, we're not sorting by what they look like. We're not sorting about bears and frogs today. We're just doing colors, so it doesn't matter that they're together because we're doing it by the color. What about this one? Oh, how did I get blue? Okay, boys and girls, see, Miss Moran made a mistake. She put some blue bears in there. I was just going to throw you off. I'm just kidding. So that was my fault. So what color is this? It's a frog and it's green, so it will go with the greens. What about this one? It's a frog and it is yellow, so we'll put it over here. What about this one? A red bear. Okay. What about this tiny little one, baby one? Green baby bear. This one? Another middle-sized. It's a little bit smaller than this one, but bigger than this one. Bear. This one. Yellow bear. Yellow bear. Red bear. Yellow frog. Red frog. Okay, so I put all my reds here, all my greens here, and all my yellow here. All right, doesn't matter if they're frogs or bears. We're looking at the color. That's why it's important to look up here to figure out what it is we're sorting. What attribute are we using? Okay, and today's attribute was color, and your homework will also be about colors. But instead of the top, I put them in the bottom. So look for them in the bottom, and then you move the little squares by their color, okay? All right, so let's review what we just learned. Okay, so today in math, we learned or reviewed how to sort. And we've learned that sorting is important because it helps us put things into groups, okay? We also learn to make sure we look at what they're asking us to do. What attribute are we looking at? Are we looking at the color, the shape, or what it looks like? You know, if it's a frog or it's a bear, what are we looking for? That's very important so that we can know where to put our objects, how to group them, okay? Okay, that was our math lesson for today. I hope you have a great weekend and I'll see you next week. Bye.